What is going on, everybody? Oh, it's been a minute. Definitely been a... When I say a good minute, it's been a while. It's probably been at least a month. Let it get warmed up a little bit. So it's been on the tender for about a month. I'll get a little bit on the tank. This has been a good minute since I bumped on the road, so we'll take it easy. Kind of. This road was shut down this weekend. I don't know if it's still shut down today, but it's been a